Hey, it's Greg Luther, and I'm coming at you live from our shipping area. I wanted to show you a little bit of behind-the-scenes stuff here, so you can see I don't have my normal Facebook Live shirt on. I have my Make Money, Not Excuses shirt on, and I've got Honey with me as well. But we are today in our shipping department for all of the new members that join up with us here. So we've got a lot of real estate agents from all over the country, and what happens is when they do join up with us, they get kind of a welcome box. So you can see here, there's Justice back there. Say hi, Justice.
Hello.
So these are all the welcome boxes that are going out. And we have 38 new members that just joined up with us yesterday. So every single day, we have lots of these welcome boxes going out. And, you know, the cool part about this for me is every single one of these real estate agents has a story, right? They have something that they've been through. They've got something they're trying to accomplish. They've got some goals they're trying to achieve. And every single agent has a story for where they're at, the trials and tribulations they have, and where they want to go with their business. So inside these welcome boxes that we send out, again, we've got 38 going out today. Inside those boxes is what we call an agent member profile. And I go over every single one of those because it shows me, like, what are you good at? What do you struggle with? What do you feel you need the most help with? What's the current business look like right now? And the reason I want to look at that is it helps us in directing you the right way. One thing a real estate coach does for you is kind of be the GPS, like make this turn, then make that turn. Don't go that way. You want to go this way. They're kind of your navigation system to make sure you're doing the right things that are profitable and you're doing them in the right order. So every single day we have new members that are joining up with us, and I like to hear a little bit about their personal life, what they're dealing with, what's good and what's bad. Because the cool part about this, the way I look at it, these 38 members that this is going out to tomorrow, these 38 members, every single one of them, I want them to be a huge testimonial for the change that it created in their business. I want to make sure that it created tremendous change. It got them generating more business, making more money, paying down all of their debts, which is a big thing. I always talk about getting an agent to zero. You need to be at zero debt, pay everything off because you can't get rich if you owe people money. So the quicker we can get you to zero, the faster we're going to be able to get you a real net worth so that eventually you can retire from this stuff, right? You can start building that total net worth that you need. So anyway, wanted to show you a little behind the scenes action here. We're also preparing for the coaching retreat, but you can see we've got boxes absolutely everywhere and mouse pads and the agent member profiles and all the stuff we do because we've got so many agents getting great results from this stuff, and I couldn't be happier to see those transformations that happen. I actually love to see a horrible story to start, right? I'm struggling, I'm driving for Uber as part-time to pay my dues. I love to see that stuff because when we can turn their business on in 60 or 90 days and all of a sudden they're making tons of money, they're closing lots of deals, that's what it's about for me. That's what I love to do. So anyway, wanted to show you a little behind the scenes here today. Hopefully get you motivated for making sure you are getting yourself to zero. You are building a net worth for yourself. That's only going to happen if you change your approach. Time will fix nothing in your business. Waiting or thinking there's a better time, it's never going to get you where you need to be. So for the 38 people that joined up yesterday, your boxes are going out today. And we actually have all the labels and everything ready to roll. And your story begins now. So I'm excited to see what this does for you. Month after month, we're coaching more and more members and very excited to see it happening. So if that is not you, if you are not involved with this yet, let me show you a couple of free tips on what you can do to grow your business. Go to getfastclosings.com. Honey's wanting to be famous again here. Why do you always want to be on video? So if you go to, this is a Cavachon, by the way. Everybody always asks me what kind of dog it is. She's a year old this month. But if you go to getfastclosings.com, you stop biting me. She loves to play too. Look, there's my hand in her mouth again. But go to getfastclosings.com. There's a really cool video there that will show you. Don't go there unless you have about 40 minutes available so you can take some pictures of these examples and that type of stuff so that you can get your business going in the right direction. Create that story for yourself. So, again, wanted to show you a little behind-the-scenes stuff. You can see me in my casual clothes here today. We're working and getting all this out. We got 38 more people that are starting their story today. Hopefully you're doing the same thing. I'll talk to you soon. Find more info on us at gregluthercoaching.com. Honey doesn't have her own website yet, but she probably will soon after she chews my hand off. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.